Ever wondered why Ambani, Andani, and so many big developers in India are suddenly so interested in Dharavi, a slum? Let me shock you. Dharavi is not a poor land. It's a billion-dollar land disguised as a slum. And the real money isn't in the houses. It's in something called as TDR. Dharavi sits in the heart of Bombay, between BKC, Bandra, South Mumbai and the airport. In the nearby areas, land prices go 60,000 to 80,000 per square feet. There are offices, luxury homes and the global headquarters. But Dharavi, low-rise, underbuilt and informal. And that gap is equal to opportunity. Real estate investors love the gaps. This is the last massive land parcel left in the central Bombay. Who wants Dharavi and why? And this is why big real estate players are interested. Adani Group won the redevelopment bid. Global funds are watching quietly. REIT-linked investors tracking future commercial supply. Indian developers who need TDR. Why? Because Dharavi, not just one project. It is a city-level reset. The real secret, TDR. Now listen to me very carefully. Mumbai works on FSI and TDR. TDR is transferable development rights. So if someone doesn't use their full building limit, they get extra building right. So I'll explain it to you in very simple language. You have 5 floors but you want 8 floors, so you buy TDR from somewhere else to get those 3 extra floors. And Dharavi will create massive TDR. Government fixes on how much you can build on your land. Even crazier, Mumbai rules now say 40% of TDR in Mumbai should come from Dharavi. That means every big project in Mumbai feeds right back to the Dharavi's money pool. And this turns Dharavi into a real estate ATM. Well, now let's talk figures. 140 million square feet of saleable land is now unlocked. Potential revenue of 1.2 to 1.7 lakh crore. And guess what? Profit margin an estimated 18 to 30%. TDR can be used or sold elsewhere. Developers don't even need to sell all homes to make money. And that's why this project is called India's biggest urban redevelopment bet. Controversy, of course, hongi. So now the uncomfortable truth. Critics say rules were changed to profit the big players. Control over TDR is equal to control over Mumbai's skyline. So therefore, legal challenges and political heat continue. Dharavi proves one thing very clearly. The biggest money in real estate is made before the buildings even rise. And if you understand TDI, FSI and policies, you will know where the next billions are coming from. So Dharavi isn't just being redeveloped, it is being financially re-engineered.